never seen this in my life. People scared to sit in a car.
It's pretty crazy.
Yes. Come on, man. Don't do it like that. Hey, please, give me this.
You good?
Come on, man. You gotta did it. You can do it.
Oh shit, I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. I'm bad at it.
It's not too, I mean, I'm used to it now. But. So headrest where you are is about 2 dB difference from in the corner of the glass if you want a little full experience. You ready?
Don't do me like
All right,
that,
here
man. Don't do me like that.
Is that pretty good?
Yeah. Like a motherfucker.
Yeah, let's hit the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's hit the next one.
So man, 418, 6,000 watts. I like to see the videos. So glass is about 2 dB difference from where your head is. So if you want a little louder, lean forward. Ready?
You don't need no AC in that motherfucker.
Thank you. Makes me sneeze.
Yeah, let me get some of this action.
You can hear it.
Yeah, oh my God, my boy Jay's in there, man. I gotta get him.
How you doing?
Jacob Vaughn, right?
YouTube Jacob yes sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, I seen a few of your videos.
Okay.
Man.
Yes sir. 418s on 6,000 watts.
Okay.
Here we go.
Jacob Vaughn. Hey, good shit, man. Good shit. Yeah. Hey, bro.
It started pulling up my phone like it was pulling.
Oh, it's loud.
Oh man. Please do. Please do. Shit.
Gotta shut a little harder. Open right here. Thank you. How you doing, man? YouTube Jacob Vile. I got 418s on 6K. And it's a 2 dB difference if you lean forward, so depending on how loud you are. All right, here we go. How you doing?
Pretty good, man. How about you?
Pretty good. 418, 6,000 watts. Yeah, it does like 59s to 60s, 160 music. There we go.
Oh my.
Good?
Oh. I can breathe again. Let's see that. God, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was awesome.
Pretty good?
I'm good. Oh.
Let me slide one side. Don't hurt me, dog. Don't hurt me.
You can hear it. How you doing? 418s, YouTube Jacob Vile. bit.
My chest, nigga. Oh my god. I'll go to prison again, okay? You feel that right there, don't you? My chest
Yeah.
They were trying to tell her to turn around like this. Her head out the window. She turned around like this and put her feet and blood on his face up and turned it all the way up.
It's a 45 amp hour limit.
Okay.
My voltage is about a volt higher, so about 600 watts added to the system.
Nice.
Yeah, so a little bit, it helped a little. All right, let's see. 24 hertz is my low peak, so I'll play at 24 hertz. All right, so this is 24 hertz.
Next week, I'll make you disappear. Joke's on you.
It definitely seemed to get louder than last
A
time.
little bit different
Yeah,
for the
it
lows,
is.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Sounds nice.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
See, sorry, I'm going to get back on where I was going. Yeah.
can't find that mug quick enough, huh?
I need to make a sticker for that.
Man, I never seen this in my life. People scared to sit in a car.
It's pretty crazy.
Yes, it's pretty crazy.
You want to hear it again? I can put the window down and give you a demo too.
I wanna. You remember the other day I topped out?
Yeah, we're pretty loud.
I wanna try. I wanna face my fit. This is my. I'm facing my. Oh,
He said the face is here.
All right.
all right. You want me to video it? Oh, I'm gonna video myself topping out.
So it's a little louder if you lean forward too. So full experience. You ready? Here we go.
Oh hell no! I did my part.
That's good. You did good. It's still, dude, it hurts, man. It hurts me and I'm here, so I know.
Holy crap, man! You feel louder than the other day.
Because the subs are breaking in more,
Yeah.
as well
That's
as battery lithium, so my voltage went up almost a volt and a half.
Oh yeah.
So a volt and a half is about 600 watts for me.
Hell yeah. So how much insulation you got in here?
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.